I thought these drawings were just hobbies. Turns out they're assets with a pulse.
Ideas don't just entertain, they earn.
An idea is just as real as a gold bar if the world wants it.
Wait, so my old podcast script is worth money? Owning the idea is like owning the land. You can build, sell, or rent it.
I prefer renting. I collect royalties while floating above the chaos.
Wait, you're saying I could have licensed this game skin?
Yes. While you're grinding fake gold, I'm out here minting real royalties. I buried this tape in my closet for 12 years. Guess that's not how IP works?
Congratulations, you protected your genius from absolutely everyone.
A banana is not an asset unless you wrote the theme song for Donkey Kong.
If it earns money while I sleep, Blue, spin it my way, baby.
You don't need Wall Street to create wealth. Just one idea, protected and packaged right.
This isn't just merch, it's monetized intellectual magic.
Forget equity splits. You licensing genius.
You don't need capital to compete. Just protect your thinking like it is capital.
I just turned a napkin doodle into a royalty machine before midnight.
Deadline?
Some build empires with armies. I build mine with ideas and a good copyright lawyer.
Signed, sealed, royaltied. I just got paid for thinking.
You just made your mind your business. Welcome to the Real Flex economy.
They laughed when I said I'd get paid for an idea.
Just wanted to make breakfast. Turns out, this pancake recipe is...
I used to think your job title was your biggest asset.
Turns out it's your ideas that cash the checks.
One copyright, one deal, a lifetime of freedom.
And I did it with zero inventory, zero stress, and maximum vibes.